Okay, and welcome to McDonald Poop Toy Review. Okay, and this is the toy number 6. Thunderous. Okay, here it comes. A cloud that have a thunder hair, a stone. Okay, it's lighting like this. And there's a small button. This. Click. Um, Sorry if you push it, it will have a light, a red light. Okay, and we're getting again the next Thunderous, a other this. It's toy number 7. Okay, okay. We're just getting it. Just wait a while. Okay, and we will find it. This. Have a cloud. Yeah, and yeah, like that. Cloudy with a thunder here. Here it comes. There, like that. And just wait a while when we can finding it first. And there's it. It's tornadoes. Tornadoes is a earth like this, and wait, and I will open it first. Hoy, wag mo nang balik. Papakita ko sa'yo. And this is it. A air, a spell of air, yeah, like that. A cloud again. Okay, and this here is cloud. Not like that, like this. Yeah, it's side by side. There. So this is the toy number 6 and the toy number 7. So thank you and goodbye. I hope you enjoy it. And here comes the theme song again.